Hey YouTube, this video is going to be about traveling long distances in the Tesla Model 3. I just recently purchased this Model 3 and I'm going to use it to drive across the country for work. My job sends me to rural places far away from Superchargers, so I have to be ready to charge up with anything that I can find. Whether it's a 110 outlet, a 240 outlet, a dryer outlet, anything that I can find to get me by, I have to be ready for it. So I'm going to go over a few things that I have purchased to get me through. Now, first and foremost, it's expensive, but this kit, this adapter kit from EV Annex, is a must-have if you're going to be traveling to these rural places that don't have supercharging, don't have Tesla chargers. It comes with all of these adapters, plus a 30-foot NEMA 1450 extension cord. Now, that being said, when you buy your Model 3, if you haven't bought it already, it only comes with this outlet adapter for a 110. You can't live off of that. I've been living the last week charging off of this 110. I found a supercharger about 40 miles down the road yesterday that's not on the internet. It doesn't say it's in service, but it just opened 5 days ago. So I was able to supercharge yesterday and fill this bad boy all the way up. I purchased this last Monday when I picked the car up off the internet. Only way to get it. Took a week to get here. So if you're going to buy a car, you ordered your Model 3, order this NEMA 1450 adapter as soon as possible so you don't run into the same trouble I've had over the last week. The kit also comes with, the kit that comes with the car comes with this adapter for the J1772. Order this as soon as possible. I also have a 100-foot extension cord, medium duty, ready for 13 amps. The car charges at 12 amps on the 110 outlet, so that should be sufficient. This will get you out of a bind. So say you're staying somewhere, a hotel, all you can find is a wall outlet on the outside. You can stretch that extension cord out and you can plug in and you can get, what, 4.5 miles an hour all night while you sleep, just to top you off. Now for charging, that's about all I've got. You also take your mobile charger with you that comes with the car. I'm charging right now. Now, for a road warrior, I travel over 5 miles all the time for work. Tomorrow, it's going to be 550 miles. So you don't always want that sun bearing down on you, which it's tinted, so it's not bad. But say you want to sleep in your car or whatever you need to do. I bought these shades, and these shades, they have the mesh. They also have an adapter that goes on the top of it. That's a sunshade that blocks out the sun. It goes on the front and the back. I just had the windows tinted halfway. On the back, it's only halfway. This is 3% on the back window halfway up to the tint that's already there. And then there's 3% on the two back windows. And then 30% on the front. That's what's legal in Texas. So it's pretty dark in the back. It's a little light in the front, but it'll do. I think that's a must-have when you get tired of having the sun on your head. That's just me. Maybe you don't care. Maybe you like the sunroof. The other cars I've had in the past, I've opted out of the long glass sunroof because I don't like it, because I do some sleeping in my car sometimes. Now I did opt for the Aero wheels, which is the cheapest one, because they get the most range. And they have only an 18-inch wheel. I don't want an 19-inch wheel. I have to go on some gravel roads, and sometimes they're not that forgiving. So the more sidewall you have, the better. And it opts for a better ride quality. So that's why I went with the 18-inch wheels. The 19-inch wheels, they do look good, but for what I want, they didn't work for me. I also installed these splash guards. Set of 4, very easy to install. Keep the rocks, mud, salt, gravel, everything from hitting the side of your car while you're barreling down the highway. That's another must-have. To protect your car. I'm not going to get a clear wrap on it. I'm not going to go that far and spend all that money on it. This is about all I'm going to do to it so far. We'll see in my journeys if I want to take it a little bit further. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out if you're planning on buying a Model 3 and need to travel long range without superchargers.